Children, here we are discussing applied mathematics, especially for CBSE Kumar students, right children? So, in applied mathematics, children, you get many questions related to this pipe and cistern problem, where you take one pipe or two pipe or sometimes three pipes. Sometimes both the pipes are filling the tank, sometimes two pipes are filling the tank, third one is emptying it. So let us go in depth understanding of this topic. I'll give you some points you should note down in a notebook, and I will solve one problem also, so that you will get a best idea how to tackle these kind of problems, right? Pipe and cistern problems. The first question which usually we can ask is, if a pipe can fill a tank in x hours, then part of the tank filled in 1 hour, that will be 1 by x children. If a pipe can empty a tank in y hour, then the part of the tank emptied in 1 hour is 1 upon y. Now if a pipe can fill a tank in x hour, another pipe can fill the tank in y hours, then the part of the tank filled in 1 hour when both the pipes are opened is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So the time taken to fill the tank when both the pipes are opened is xy upon y plus x. Now we have another situation. If a pipe can fill a tank in x hour, another pipe can empty the full tank in y hours. In that case, the part of the tank filled in 1 hour when both the pipes are opened is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, and the time taken to fill the tank when both the pipes are opened is xy upon y minus x. Now, so if a pipe can fill a tank in x hour, another pipe can fill the full tank in y hour, but the third one can emptize it in z hours, full tank in z hours. In that case, then when all of them are open together, then part of the tank filled in 1 hour is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z, and the time taken to fill the tank when all the three pipes are opened is xyz upon yz plus xz minus xy, right children? Now we go through another problem. If a pipe can fill a tank in x hour, due to leak in the bottom, it can be filled in y hours. Now in that case, if the tank is full, time taken by the leak to empty the tank is xy upon y minus x. So many problems are there. If you go through your paper, previous year papers also, this kind of problem is also there, right? Now we have a cistern has a leak which can empty it in x hours. A pipe which admits y liter of water per hour into the cistern is turned on, and now the cistern is empty in z hours. In that case, capacity of the cistern is x plus y plus z upon z minus x liters, right? We have another thing here. A cistern is filled by three pipes whose diameters are x centimeter, then y centimeter, then z centimeter respectively, where x is less than y less than z. Then the three pipes are running together. What happens? If the largest pipe alone will fill it in Q minute, and the amount of water flowing by each pipe is proportional to the square of its diameter, right? So then the time in which the cistern is filled is qz square upon x square plus y square plus z square minutes. Right? If one filling pipe A is n time faster and takes x minute less time than the other filling pipe B, then in that case, then the time taken they will take to fill the cistern if both the pipes are open together is nx upon n square minus 1 minute. Time taken by A alone to fill the cistern will be x upon n minus 1 minute. It will be faster. time taken by B alone to fill the cistern, it will be nx upon n minus 1 minute, that is B will be a slower one. So here two filling pipes A and B open together can fill a cistern in T time if the first filling pipe A alone takes x minute more or T minute less than T, and second pipe B alone takes y minute more or less than time T minutes, then T is equal to under root xy minutes. So these are some of the tricks you should note down in your notebook and try to solve as many problems as possible related to each of these problems, right? Now I have a question here. The problem, you have a cistern, two pipes A and B, as you see in the diagram, they are filling the cistern, and the third one is empty tightening it. So let us start with, so you have a problem. If a pipe is connected to a tank or a cistern, it is used to fill or empty the cistern. The amount of work done by the pipe as a part of the tank filled or empty is in unit time. So three pipe ABC are connected to the tank. A and B fill the tank in 6 hours and 8 hours respectively when opened independently. C empties in 12 hours when opened alone. So based on this information, you have to solve some of the problems, children. So for example, you have one such problem is, if both the pipes A and B are open together, so in that case what we can do in the first situation, here you can write there, if you write part of the tank by part of the tank filled, you can write it like this: part of the tank filled in 1 hour, in 1 hour by the pipes, this is A and B, A and B. So that will be nothing, as I told you the formula is x upon y, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, or you can simplify it further. If you take xy as LCM, you get here x plus y. So the time taken, total time to fill the tank, total time to fill the tank, so you can find it easily, children, to fill the tank. So that will be nothing. So what will be that? You know that this is xy upon x plus y. So now x is given to you, you just check it out. A and B can fill A in 6 hours and B can fill it in 8 hours. So here we can write here 6 into 8 upon 6 plus 8. So we are getting 48 upon 14. So 12 upon 7. So that is, if you simplify it further, you are going to get here you are getting 24, children, right? 24 upon 7. So this is 3 upon 7 hours, right? So this is the part, your first part, answer to the first part, total time to fill the tank, that this one. Now in the second part, if you go through, see, he is saying here if A and C open together, then in the second part, you know, he says A and C. So I am just writing a direct answer here. So total time, you can do the similar, first for 1 hour you can apply this information, that is 1 upon x minus 1 upon z, right? He is talking about A and C. Here see, he is talking about A and C. So if you try to simplify it, you get here xz, or that is z minus x. So in that case, the total time taken to fill the tank, that is nothing, xz upon z minus x. So you know, x here is 6 and z in this case is, as you check it out here, that is 12 12. So upon we are getting 12 minus 6. So answer comes out to be directly 12 hours, right? Now if you just go through the third part here, now the third part is, if B and C open together, then the tank can be filled in. So in that case, again the time taken, the part of the tank to fill in 1 hour, that is 1 upon Y minus 1 upon Z. So you just do the similar category of calculation here also. So total time in this case comes out to be, what is that, YZ upon Z minus Y, children. So Y in this case, this is 8 into 12 over 12 minus 8. So we are getting here 4 to the 8, answer comes out to be 24 hours, right? Here if you open all the 3 together, children, you just check out this one again, 3 pipes are open together, then in that case, so again for 1 hour, part of the tank to be filled by ABC in 1 hour, that is 1 over X plus 1 over Y minus 1 over Z. You just simplify it, you are getting here X, Y, Z, and here if you try to simplify, I have taken it is an LCM. Here we are getting YZ, here we are getting XZ, and here minus XY. So total time in this case you can calculate it, this is XYZ, and here we are getting YZ plus XZ minus XY. So children, here we are getting 6 multiply 8 multiply 12 divided by YZ. Now you know that here in this case, let me do this calculation here. X in this case is 6, 8, 12. So this, it comes out to be, the first part is your YZ, that is 8 into 12. Second part is XZ, 6 into 12 minus XY, 6 into 8. So if you simplify it further, 6 into 8 into 12, here we are getting 96, and here we are getting 72 minus 48. So if you do a little bit calculation here, 96 plus 72, we are getting here 8, we are getting here 8, 16, and you just subtract 48 from here. So we are getting 0, 12, 120, children. So 6 into 12, 8, 6 into 8 into 12, divide, we are getting 120, right? So tens, and we are getting here 4.8 hours. So tank will be filled in 4.8 hours. So in this question I have taken few of the steps so that you can tackle these kind of problems. So my advice to you is, the points which I have given above, you should pick up a problem related to one point and try to solve as many problems as possible, right children? Okay, so keep on learning, keep on enjoying mathematics, and if you find this my channel is helping you, then subscribe it, press the like button, share it with other children so that other children will also get benefited from it. Okay, thank you children.